Okay. Okay, everybody. Here is algorithm. Algorithm. Sunday. So, and I'm at the last part. The last part. About these two. Try to flip. I'll get this one over here. This one over here. And for it to look like, like this. So it's the last part. Okay, here's the other one. And the other one. These two. So, now what I want to say is, algorithm is not color. My color is wrong. It's not algorithm. You know, first off, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is opposite of whatever the opposite color is. That's your thing. It's not a yellow flower. It's not an orange flower. It's not as if I'm doing a yellow flower is to the thing. Do the yellow flower and then do the algorithm. Just do the opposite color of the thing. So these are two different colors. So you got red and orange on this one. You're not. You got red and orange on that one. So red and orange. Blue, green. So you got a blue and green on this one. So same colors. So you do the opposite color. So on this one I was doing green and blue with the ring around. What was it? Green and blue. Green and blue with the ring around. Now this one was doing. So anyways, I'm in the final step, and I don't wanna hit the final step on this because it's it might be it's gonna jump out. It's gonna jump out if I get these in the thing. So anyways, and I don't. Well, let's see. Solve this in 3 seconds. Okay. Solve that in 3 seconds. Solve this one in 3 seconds. Okay, so that's that. We'll see the next video if I hit the whatchamacallit. If I hit the in the next step when I hit that thing. Anyways, it's not one of them. It's not one of them cubes. Maybe it is, but it's not. You know, do the corner. I don't know. They do like the corner and like flip it around or something. It's not one of those. This is from like the 1800s. All the colors. They're like. So, anyways.